If your TikTok ads are approved, active, but not spending, or barely spending, you're not alone. This is one of the most frustrating issues e-commerce advertisers face. You launch a campaign, you set your budget, you upload creatives, everything looks good, and then nothing, zero spend, or $2 spent in 24 hours. What's going on, everyone? My name is Kyle. Today I'm going to walk you through a complete, step-by-step checklist to fix TikTok ads that aren't spending, covering budget issues, bid problems, creative bottlenecks, and pixel setup mistakes. By the end of this video, you will have a clear troubleshooting framework you can use anytime your TikTok ads stall. Let's get into it. Before we jump into fixes, it's important to understand something. When TikTok ads don't spend, it's almost never random. It's usually caused by one of four categories: budget constraints, bid strategy issues, weak or limited creative, pixel or event setup problems. Our goal today is to systematically check each one. Let's start with the simplest and most common problem: budget. TikTok's algorithm needs enough data to optimize. If your daily budget is extremely low, like $10 to $20, especially in competitive niches, delivery may stall. Why? Because TikTok may struggle to find conversions within that small spending window. For conversion campaigns, aim for at least $50 to $100 per day per ad group during testing, or at minimum 3 to 5 times your target CPA. If your target CPA is $25, your daily ad group budget should be at least $75 to $125. Budget at campaign versus ad group level. If you're using campaign budget optimization, CBO, TikTok distributes budget across ad groups based on predicted performance. If one ad group is weak, it may receive almost no spend. If nothing is spending, switch to ad group level budgets temporarily. Give each ad group its own fair testing budget. This isolates performance and ensures TikTok doesn't starve new ad groups. Day parting or scheduling restrictions. Check your schedule settings. If you accidentally restricted delivery to certain hours or days, your ads might not be eligible to run. To fix this, set delivery to all day. Remove unnecessary scheduling restrictions. Keep it simple during testing. Bid strategy problems. Now let's move on to one of the biggest causes of stalled ads: bid settings. If you're using cost cap bidding and your cap is unrealistically low, TikTok won't enter auctions. For example, if your realistic CPA is $35 and you set a cost cap of $15, TikTok simply won't compete. The result: no spend. To fix this, increase your cost cap closer to realistic market rates, or temporarily switch to lowest cost to let the algorithm gather data. Lowest cost is often better for initial testing. Sometimes advertisers manually set bids too aggressively when scaling. If your bid isn't competitive, your ads lose auctions. To fix this, raise your bid incrementally, or test a duplicate ad group using lowest cost. Let TikTok gather conversion data first, then refine. If you've made multiple edits, changing budget, targeting, creative, bid, TikTok may reset learning repeatedly. Constant resets can cause unstable delivery. To fix this, after launching or editing, avoid touching the ad group for at least 48 hours. Let data stabilize before making any major changes. Stability matters more than constant tweaking. Creative problems. This is the most overlooked category. TikTok is a creative-first platform. If your creatives don't generate strong engagement signals, the algorithm deprioritizes them. If your first 2 to 3 seconds don't grab attention, TikTok may reduce delivery quickly. Low hook retention equals low priority in auctions. To fix this, test stronger hooks, problem-based openings, bold claims, direct callouts to your audience, and pattern interrupts. Creative testing solves spending issues more often than targeting changes. Low engagement signals. TikTok heavily weighs watch time, completion rate, engagement, and click-through rate. If early engagement metrics are weak, spend slows. To fix this, improve faster pacing, captions, native style editing, and authentic UGC format. TikTok wants content that feels organic. Limited creative volume. If you're running only 1 or 2 creatives, TikTok has limited options to optimize. if one underperforms, delivery stalls. To fix this, test at least 3 to 5 creatives per group and multiple hooks per angle. More creative volume equals more optimization flexibility. Targeting issues. Targeting mistakes can silently block delivery. Audience too narrow. If you stack too many interests or narrow demographics heavily, the audience pool shrinks. Small audience equals limited auction opportunities. To fix this, broaden interests, test broad targeting, and remove unnecessary layering. TikTok performs well with wide targeting. Overlapping audiences. If multiple ad groups target the same audience, they compete against each other. This internal competition can reduce spend. To fix this, consolidate similar ad groups, simplify targeting, and avoid unnecessary duplication. Pixel and event setup problems. Now we get into technical issues. Pixel not firing properly. If your TikTok pixel isn't firing correctly, the platform can't optimize for conversions. No optimization signals equals poor delivery. To fix this, use TikTok Pixel Helper, Chrome extension to verify page view fires, add to cart fires, and purchases fires. If events aren't firing, fix this before scaling. Wrong optimization event. If you optimize for purchase, but your account has zero purchase data, delivery may stall. TikTok struggles to optimize without event history. If you're brand new, start optimizing for add to cart or initiate checkout. Move to purchase once you have data. Build event depth gradually. Aggregated event priority issues. Make sure your purchase event is prioritized correctly in Events Manager. If events are misconfigured, optimization suffers. Double-check event names, deduplication setup, and pixel plus server-side events. Account level restrictions. Sometimes the issue isn't in your campaign, it's at the account level. Check if your account is under review, billing failed, or payment method declined. Even small billing issues can halt delivery. If ads are technically approved but recently edited, they may still be in review status behind the scenes. Wait for full approval confirmation before troubleshooting further. If you've checked everything and ads still aren't spending, here's a clean reset method. Duplicate the campaign, use lowest cost bidding, broad targeting, fresh creatives, clean pixel verification, and minimum $50 to $100 daily budget. This removes restrictive variables and gives TikTok maximum flexibility. If this version spends, the issue was likely bid or targeting related. Here's a quick real example. Let's say you launch a new product. Your budget is $20 a day and your cost cap is $18. Purchase optimization, new pixel, one creative, and nothing spends. Why? Budget too low, cost cap too tight, no pixel data, and limited creative. To fix this, increase your budget to $75 a day. Switch to lowest cost, optimize for add to cart, and upload 3 to 5 creatives. Now delivery starts. It's usually multiple small friction points stacked together. Here's what not to do. When ads don't spend, most people panic. They change targeting repeatedly, duplicate endlessly, lower bids further, and kill campaigns too quickly. That chaos resets learning constantly. Instead, follow a structured checklist. Diagnose, adjust, wait, and evaluate. If your TikTok ads aren't spending, check in this order: billing issues, budget levels, bid strategy, targeting size, creative quality and volume, pixel firing, and optimization event. Work top to bottom. Don't jump randomly between fixes. Here's something important. TikTok advertising. Creative drives distribution. Even if your budget and bids are perfect, weak creative reduces auction competitiveness. If your ads don't hold attention, don't look native, and don't generate engagement, TikTok deprioritizes them. If you fix creative, delivery often fixes itself. To prevent spending issues, always test multiple creatives. Avoid extremely low cost caps. Keep targeting broad. Maintain consistent budgets. Verify pixel setup before launch, and avoid excessive edits during learning. Think of TikTok as an engagement-driven algorithm, not a strict targeting platform. Here are the final takeaways. If your TikTok ads aren't spending, it's not random, it's mechanical. There's always a reason. Usually it's budget too low, bid too restrictive, creative too weak, or pixel not optimized. Follow a structured checklist instead of reacting emotionally. When you approach it systematically, you solve it faster. If you want to start your TikTok journey ads, you can click the link below. Just so you know, these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small referral fee at no extra cost to you. Using these links helps support the channel so we can continue bringing you free content like this. If this video helped, make sure to give it a like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss future e-commerce tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.